difficult times. Hello everyone, welcome to Angrezi Ghar Baithe. Today I want to talk about something that every person experiences. Difficult times. Nobody likes them, nobody asks for them, but every life has them. Some people face money problems, some people lose confidence, some people fail in exams, some people lose a job, some people work hard but still do not see results. If you are going through a difficult time right now, I want you to listen carefully. This message is for you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a diamond before? A diamond is beautiful. It shines brightly. People admire it. But do you know what happens before a diamond shines? It stays under great pressure for a long time. Without pressure, a diamond cannot become a diamond. Pressure is not always your enemy. Sometimes pressure is preparing you for something greater. Think about a seed. When a seed is planted, it disappears under the soil. Everything becomes dark. If the seed could speak, it might say, "My life is over." But the truth is completely different. The seed is not buried, it is being planted. After some time, it grows into a beautiful tree. Maybe your life feels like that seed today. Maybe you cannot see any progress. Maybe everything feels slow. That does not mean your future has stopped. It may simply mean you are growing where nobody can see. Many people give up too early. They stop one step before success. They stop because they believe nothing is changing. But change is often invisible before it becomes visible. Imagine learning English. On the first day you know only a few words. After 1 week you still make many mistakes. After 1 month you still speak slowly. You may think, "I am not improving." But then one day you understand an English video. You speak one full sentence without fear. You realize something amazing. Your daily practice was working all along. Progress was happening quietly. Life is the same. Every challenge teaches you something. Every mistake makes you wiser. Every failure shows you a better way. The strongest people are not those who never face problems. They are the people who keep walking through them. There is another important lesson. During difficult times, your mind becomes very important. Your mind may say, "This is impossible. I cannot do this. I should give up." But you do not have to believe every thought that enters your mind. Some thoughts are based on fear. Some thoughts are based on truth. Learn to tell the difference. Replace negative thoughts with better ones. Instead of saying, "My life is over," say, "My life is teaching me something." Instead of saying, "I always fail," say, "I am learning with every attempt." Your words change your attitude. Your attitude changes your actions. Your actions change your future. Remember this: storms do not last forever. Rain does not fall every day. Night always ends with a new morning. Difficult times also come to an end. The question is not, will this difficult time end? The real question is, who will I become because of this difficult time? Will you become weaker, or will you become stronger? The choice is yours. Here's a small challenge. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, "Today, I will take one more step forward." Only one step. That is enough. Small steps create big journeys. Small victories create great success. Never feel ashamed if your progress is slow. Slow progress is still progress. Keep reading, keep learning, keep working. One day, you will look back at this difficult time. You will smile. You will realize that it did not come to destroy you. It came to make you stronger, wiser, and more confident. So, if life feels difficult today, keep going. Your story is not over. Your best chapter may still be waiting for you. Thank you for watching Angrezi Ghar Baithe. If this lesson gave you hope, please like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe to Angrezi Ghar Baithe for more simple English lessons. Now tell me in the comments, what is one difficult challenge you have overcome in your life? I would love to read your answer. Keep learning, keep speaking, Keep moving forward. See you in the next lesson.